My name is Jimmy Walker, and I'm a machinist for Baker Hughes here in Claremore, Oklahoma. Before I came to Northeast Tech, I was working as a overhaul type mechanic for a oil and natural gas drilling company. Then COVID came along and took out a lot of our jobs. I turned that hardship into a blessing. I came here and talked to these wonderful people, and they got me clued in here in the machining program, which is something that I was always interested in doing anyways. CNC machining is computer numerical controlled machining. You got a machine tool and you have a computer. The computer tells the tool where to go and what to do. So Baker Hughes and me got on the same page before I ever graduated the CNC program. So I'll be operating a machine that machines long housings. After the material comes in as raw material, gets sawed to length, then it'll be carted out to my machine. I'll load it into the machine, and there'll be some indicating it in to get the center line running true. That long housing, they'll stack it full of other components for pumps, and then they'll have to screw on some stuff on the end to keep it all held together and true and stuff like that. So I'll be making the housings for them. In this modern world we live in, everything you looked at has been manufactured by somebody somewhere in a factory probably, because they don't just make one-offs of any of this stuff. Planes, trains, automobiles, grocery stores probably need some pipes that are machined. So the industry of CNC machining is very important, and it is a high demand. There's always going to be places needing CNC machinists. So it's always developing with new materials, new processes, new tools to make the cuts. It will always be forever evolving, and you learn as you go.